Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to attempt to show you how to draw this seamless pattern that you can make as big or as little as you want. I'm going to start off with a square. Doesn't matter what size because you can always reduce it. I'm going to go to Object and convert it to a curve, grab the Shape tool, and take away one of the nodes. That way you have that triangular shape. And then I'm pretty sure the Smart Drawing tool came about in at least X4. The only thing you want to remember is you want to start and stop at the same place. So we're gonna, in the Smart Drawing tool, it's pretty cool because it, see how crude my lines are? It's gonna take off those lines. You can go outside the box, don't worry about that, and just draw you some lines and then come back in and, draw some other lines, and your artistic ability will really kind of show off here. Kind of want to get in that corner. You don't want to stay too much on the line. But then I'm going to stop on that same node and see what it did. It changed. I'm not even sure if I'm there, and I'm not. I'm going to take the Shape tool and I'm going to get right on that node. Now I'm going to take the Shape tool again, and these places that are on the line, I'm going to change them up a little bit. I'm going to get the Shape tool, and I'm just going to bring that out. Maybe even delete that line, see what happens. Maybe bring this out to here. I'm not going to spend too much time on it. But what's so cool, you've drawn this shape, so you really probably don't want to have two lines connected like I have there. So just take your Shape tool and just move them. Now what you want to do is select it all and intersect. And you have that. Now we can make that black and take away the outline. Now take this and Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the Control button, mirror it over. That's pretty cool. Grab both these, Control D, grab that box right there with the two-sided and mirror it over. Now at this time I would probably weld it. Go up here to weld and weld that so it's all one piece. Now we could take this and rotate it 45 degrees, kind of get see, I've got a pretty unique pattern. I'm going to reduce it with my ratio lock just to 2 inches. Now here's kind of the next key is when you're doing this, if you just take the nudge and nudge it, the pattern isn't really the same. You can see that. So what you need to do on the very first one is Control D and duplicate it and then move it over there. Then you can set your nudge factor to 4, but I'm just going to keep it at 2. I'm going to Control D and move it over twice. And then I could do that again. And then I could take this shape, and that's why I left it at 2. I'm going to Control D and move it down. But that's not the right order. So we need to flip that. And we could flip that by just going here and just go to mirror. Now you got it still set on 2, Control D, and just hit it down twice. And you could keep going as long as you wanted. And I could have changed some things, and look at that right there. It's pretty unique. I could have maybe made part of it different colors. But that's a great seamless pattern. Look at that, almost looks like 2 dog bones crossed over. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.